Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the essentials, a platform with API access and permissions you control. Next, decide 5 core tasks you want automated. List them now. Once done, collect credentials, API keys, and calendar links so the system can act. Then create 3-5 starter prompts that show tone and output format. Make sure to enable logging and set a private workspace. This rapid start gets you from 0 to an actionable assistant in minutes, not days. Now integrate services. Connect email, calendar, file storage, and your task manager using the platform API. Authorize only needed scopes. Then craft prompt templates per task with clear instructions, examples, and constraints so responses are reliable. Once templates exist, wire automations, triggers, actions, confirmations, and basic error handling. Make sure to test each flow with varied inputs. If output drifts, tighten constraints and add format validators. This keeps the assistant consistent and trustworthy as it learns your routines. Finish by refining. Run daily tasks, collect feedback, and tweak prompts weekly to improve accuracy and tone. Simultaneously, lock down security, role-based access, encryption at rest, and audit logs prevent leaks. Make sure to set rate limits and fallback messages for outages. If something goes wrong, consult the step-by-step logs first. Look for the trigger, API response, and prompt used. That single troubleshooting tip. Trace the exact path, solves most failures fast, and it keeps your assistant reliable and safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.